Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, so I've had some people ask me questions about my Halo can lights, and they say, well, what happens if they get out of sync? And I thought I talked a little bit more in the review video, but I really didn't. I just said it's easy to fix. So let me show you, first of all, what I'm talking about, and then how to fix it. Okay, so first of all, for those of you who are not sure what I'm talking about, there's the Halo can lights. That's the main can light on. You turn it off and then back on. And there's the Halo Night Ring, which is really awesome. For nighttime, it doesn't shine down, doesn't glare on TVs. And believe it or not, if you have bugs that come to your door, like I have a door right here, walk out basement, the bugs stay away. Okay, for reals. Okay, so let me show you, let me try to get them out of sync. Okay, now this is actually not too hard to do if you have a dimmer switch, because if you dim them down all the way, try to dim them off, you'll have a couple that actually kick out before. But if you have a kid that's like flicking on it like crazy, okay, that was actually hard for me to do. I had to flick them like crazy. So I've actually got them messed up pretty good right now. I've got 2 Halos there and 1 regular can, and behind me, I got 1 Halo and 2 regular cans, okay? So they're totally out of sync. So some people are kind of freaked out when this happens, and then they start flickering the switch on and off again, and they're like, why can't I get them back into sync? It's actually super easy as long as you're just not freaking out. So let me break it down to you real quick how these work, and that will explain how to solve the problem, okay? So since you're using a regular switch, okay, turn these on and off. I mean, whether it's a dimmer switch or 3-way, it doesn't matter. I mean, you didn't have to install a special switch for these. So how they work is you turn them on, they're on a can. If you turn them back off, there's a 5-second delay, 5 actual seconds, like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, right? And then if you turn them back on, then they're back to cans anyways, okay? So if you're like, oh, they're messed up, and then off, and then back on again, that's why they're staying messed up. So let me prove it. We'll just turn them off and wait 5 seconds. Two Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 5 full seconds. Boom. Turn them back on. Every one of them is back to the can light. The ones here and the ones there behind the camera, all back to the can light. That's all you have to do. Okay, now these are the Utilitech brand that I got at Lowe's, okay? And I'm pretty sure, not 100%, but probably like 90% sure that the other ones that are similar like this, like the Commercial Electric and other ones like that, are the same way, okay? I'm pretty sure they copy each other on that. A lot of times that's what happens. But I can tell you 100% sure that's how the ones from Lowe's work, the Utilitech brand. But anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. Share this video if you know someone who has lights like this and they don't know what to do. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications. Always great new content coming out. Check out our website, hundreds of more videos organized really, really well. And there's another video for you guys to enjoy. You guys have a great one.